In this video, I'll show you how to change the speed of a video in CapCut. Start by importing your clip and dragging it onto the timeline. By default, the clip plays at 1x, which means normal speed. To change it, select the clip, then go to the speed menu at the top. Now you can drag the slider to increase or decrease the speed. For example, set it to 2x to double the speed, or 0.5x to slow it down by half. If you slow down the video, you can make it smoother by turning on Smooth Slow Motion and choosing Optical Flow. CapCut will process the clip and generate extra frames for a smoother result. There's also an option to keep or change the pitch of the audio. If you don't want your voice to sound funny when speeding up or slowing down, just toggle the voice tone setting. And that's how you change the speed of a video in CapCut. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick editing tips.